Let's make Italo Dance. Let's set the tempo to 128 BPM and start with the drums. I'll use this punchy kick from my sample pack. And use EQ to cut off the highs and dip some lows to make the kick feel deeper. Then we need a stacked up clap like this. Some open hi-hats. And some closed hi-hats. Then some short crashes. If you want to get these drums, they're from my sample pack, the House Maniac. It has more than 200 high-quality samples including kicks, claps, bass shots, bass loops, synths and more. Plus there are also 10 MIDI chord progressions. The pack is affordable and delivers the best sounds to make your songs great. If you can get the pack, I'll highly appreciate it and will be a huge support. The link's in the description. Before moving to other elements, we need to find a vocal. I'll use this. And let's run it through some vocoder chords. For that, let's use the initial sound of the Serum and make some chords. Link this to a mixer channel, and route both the vocal and the chords to a different channel like this. And open Vocodex on that channel. And set this to the Serum channel. Then let's add some EQ to dampen the lows. And add some reverb. I'll also add the same vocal without any of the vocoder effects. And pan them to the left and right like this. Moving on to the bass, I'll use this preset from my Serum preset pack. And create a bouncy bass line like this. Then let's take off the highs from this. Even though this doesn't interfere with the kick, I'll side chain because we don't want the reverb tail of the bass to clash with the kick. Now we need some pads. We'll simply use the chord progression we used for the vocoder. Now let's side chain this. Add some EQ to take off the highs. Add some multiband compression around the low end. And add some auto panning. Then we need some piano keys. I'll EQ to take off the lows and some mids. After the first 8 bars, we need some suspense pads. I'll just side chain this. At the second half of the drop, we need a saw lead. For that I'll use this preset I made. And layer it with this. Let's side chain this. Add some EQ to take off the lows. Add some multiband saturation throughout the sound. Some multi-band compression. And some more compression. To introduce the lead, let's add a small section at the fill like this, and use a cutoff filter. Now we also need a supporting melody. As for FX, let's add some exhausts. And some crowd noise. Since the drop is now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the vocoded vocal, the piano, the claps, and the pads after 8 bars. I'll use a kick and a crash to transition into the next part, and also add the normal vocal. Then let's add the kick and the bass. After another 8 bars, let's add the claps and the open hi-hats. And add the piano again just before the drop hits. Now let's duplicate and simply change things around in the second half to make the track more interesting. So guys, our track is now done. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.